After the class, I speak to you for 5 minutes.
Yeah, sure.
Today is January 29th, 2021, and we are having the live game with the task day 2. We started yesterday after the Vision Works presentation. We started with 2 teams, Team Mohammed Anas and Team Kavita Street, and we will have some team alterations in presence of the online team, and from the online team we have Vedavarsan, Balaji, Prisha and Mridubashni. So Vedavarsan will join us direct once his dad comes back home, because his dad is held up somewhere. So until then Vedavarsan is going to be an online team member. So once he comes back, he will be inducted in the respective team. But all that after the prayer. Right, sir. The prayer worship. To my parents, my teachers, myself, to God, and to the person who has built this institution. That whatever I learn, this session will be put to practice immediately. I understand. And I realize this training is not only for school life, but also for my entire life. I understand the techniques, therapies, and ideas I learned here will be utilized to my living form. Might is my right. I fight my fight. It's not over until I win. It's never a sad day. It's always a character building day. I promise. Thank you. Jazz learning we have multi-member tracks available. Yes, I will do. So we have yesterday we had only Prisha and Balaji in the online form. Today we have 2 additions, Mridubashni and Vedavarsan online form. That's number 2. We have Prabhu Aditya and Ratan Nitish in the direct form. That's 4. And we have Kirtana joined, and that's 5. So 5 addition than the previous day. So what we are going to do is, so we are going to split that into 2 teams. So Mohammed Anas has got Anas, Hafiz, Havid, Nitin, Sibi Aditan, Balaji and Prisha, 7 members. While Navlan, Kavinraj, Brinda, Mitra and the leader Kalpita, 5. So yesterday it was 5 versus 7. So today we are going to make a little bit even. So this time we are going to have Ratan Nitish and Prabhu Aditya in Navlan's team, that is Kalpita's team, while Vedavarsan and Kirtana will be in Mohammed Anas's team. So we are held up with Mridubashni. So Mridubashni will be in Kalpita Sri's team. So then how much does it make? Kalpita, Mitra, Brinda 3, Kavinraj 4, Nagalan 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in Kalpita's team, and Anas 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Kirtana 6, Vedavarsan 7. So Mridubashni will also be in Mohammed Anas's team. So that will make 8 and 8. Alright? Live game with tasks.
7, 8.
Third, meaning 7, 8 level. So Kirtana goes there, Vedavarsan goes there, yeah.
Yes, sir.
And Mridubashni also goes
Yes,
there.
sir. So, entirety of the online team is in that.
Entirety of the online team. Okay. That's not right. So online team, Prisha and Balaji in Mohammad Anas's team. So Prisha, you are drafted to Kalpita Sri's team. So Prisha alone will be in Kalpita Sri's team, while the other three members, Vedash will be joining direct. அப்படி அவன் டைரக்ட்ல ஜாயின் பண்ணும்போது பாலாஜியும் விருதுபாஷினியும் மட்டும் அவங்க டீம் இருக்கும். Prisha in the team will go. Okay, right? And by the way, one official announcement, Pranav has withdrawn. Pranav is going back to Hyderabad in a short period of time. So he's not going to stay in Pollachi and he's not going to stay in my neighborhood house. He's going back home. His dad called me this morning and he was very emotional that he's not going to attend and all that because in the online format he's having his eyes pricked. So he's taken away from MS evening sessions. He will be joining maybe in the summer or so. So hereafter, no Pranav in MS evening sessions and in sports. Okay. Any questions, online team?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, this team is confirmed with only one change, that is Prisha is moved to Kalpita Sri's team.
So yesterday we gave one voice for
Prisha, super that. நாலு பேர் ஒண்ணா நல்லா பண்ணணும்னு அவங்க.
So let's paint the box.
So you're taking your cups. Good. Nice. Very nice. Then who finished yesterday? Who is supposed to speak today?
Sir, it's even sir, we are supposed to start.
இல்ல நீ இப்படி ஷேர் எடுத்து கவிதா பக்கத்துல. என்னமா?
5 strings each set, so we go first.
யாரோ ஒருத்தர் இந்த டேபிள் வந்து. நான் சரி ஆஃபீஸிங் வச்சு. ஆமா நீங்க வந்து அப்படியே நீங்க வந்து அந்த ஸ்ட்ரீம் போயிட்டீங்க எனக்கு இங்க அக்சஸ் கரெக்டா Mohammad Anas's team has got a loan of 65,000 and I'll have to give the news for Mridubashini and Vedavashan. Mohammad Anas's team had been having 80,000 loan and they played a task, they did really well and Kalpita Sri's team has reduced the amount of loan. That's how it is. Do you think any change has to be made in the team?
Because Kasha is one thing. Kasha was already in that team, sir, and now she's in changing teams.
Okay, let அப்ப உங்களுக்கு பரவாயில்லையா எழுது பரவாயில்லையா? No problem. Risha, you hear me?
Yes, sir.
You are remaining the same team. Mohammad Anas's team.
Okay, sir.
Right, so 7 this is 8. Keep it on here. Okay. Let's go for the next spin. Team Kalpita Sri is spinning. Ritan Nitish is spinning. Only this.
I don't know that, sir.
Look for number 2, da. Okay.
So that's number 4 and it's my duty to explain to the online members that நேத்து நான் பண்ண மாதிரி இங்க ஒரு கேமரா வச்சு நான் ஸ்ட்ரீம் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன் பட் ஆடியோ சரியா மேட்ச் ஆகல அதனால தான் நான் இப்போ இப்படி பண்றேன் so you're not going to lose anything so Kalpita Sri's team is on a loss phase and they had successfully redeemed the loss இப்போ 4 அப்படின்றப்போ they are coming to the starter home buying section and in the starter home buying section they are supposed to go for buying the starter home. Now, Mitra will explain how much money they actually have.
Sir, as of now we have 90,000, sir. Yesterday itself they bought the 80,000 also. So once we have the discussion, we will let you know which platform we are buying.
Okay, so nobody from the online team is having any discussion over here because it's Kalpita Sri's team. I'm giving 30 seconds team talk for telling me the possibility of one. So the possibility of starter homes that you are having are 1 lakh, 160, 160, 120, 140 and 180. And the cash in hand is only 90,000. Now, remember, if they are going for a loan, they might be asking for a credit, presentation credit. In that case, Team Mohammad Anas have to quickly decide a task and you have to give them. இல்லை எங்களுக்கு கிரெடிட் வேண்டாம் நாங்கள் லோன் போய்க்கிறோம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்கன்னா then it's not going to be a problem. So first you have to decide which home you're going to buy.
Sir, on the day, sir, you changed the rule that we have to buy one starter home, sir. So is the rule prevailing as of now, sir?
No, you can go for multiple number of starter homes if you want.
So once we reach some amount, sir, so we can sell that starter home and we can buy another
Yes,
property.
as a maximum of 2 starter homes can be 1 to 18. But game அப்படி இல்லை இல்லையா, ஒரு ஸ்டார்டர் ஹோம் நீங்கள் விற்றீங்கன்னா ஹவுஸ் தான் வாங்கணும். பட் இங்கே வந்துட்டு 2 ஸ்டார்டர் ஹோம் வாங்கிக்கலாம் மேக்ஸிமம். பிருந்தா கேட்ட மாதிரி ஒரு ஸ்டார்டர் ஹோம் வந்துட்டு இன்னொரு ஸ்டார்டர் ஹோம் கூட வாங்கிக்கலாம். அந்த மாதிரி நம்ம வாங்கிக்கலாம். So already Team Mohammed Anas is the owner of 80,000 home, starter home, but they are on loan. அந்த லோன் அடைக்கிறதுக்கு தான் நீங்கள் பார்க்கணும். So Team Mohammed Anas who are attending from online format, let me explain very clearly. You have the biggest responsibility, and the responsibility is 80,000 starter home வாங்கினப்போ your team has gone into a loan, and அந்த 80,000மே லோன்ல போச்சு. But they did a task and they exempted. Team Kalpita Sri exempted from 80,000 to 65,000. So இப்போ லோன்ல தான் இருக்கீங்க. Yes, long term investment ஒண்ணே வாங்கியிருக்காங்க. I think the number is 6. So each time somebody is coming to 6, you're going to get 5,000. Right? But இப்போ 65,000 ரூபாய் லோன்ல இருக்கு. But interest ஓட சேர்த்து that is 80,000. As you know, for every 20,000 you have 5,000 interest. So 80,000 loanல இருக்கீங்க. So yes, Varsha.
Sir, we didn't do any tasks, sir, yesterday.
You did do the task. Task எப்போ கொடுக்குறதுன்னா ஒரு லாஸ்ட் ஸ்பேஸுக்கு உங்கள் கார் வந்த பிறகு டாஸ்க் கொடுக்கப்படுச்சு. அந்த லாஸ்ட் ஸ்பேஸ் அப்படிங்கிறப்போ இவங்க கையில் சுத்தமாக பணமே இல்லாமல் ஸ்டார்டர் ஹோம் செக்ஷனுக்கு வந்தாங்க. 80,000 லோன் வாங்க வேண்டியது இருந்தது. ஒரு டாஸ்க் இந்த 4 சின்ன பசங்களுக்கும் கொடுத்தாங்க. அவங்க நல்லா பண்ணாங்க. அதனால் அவங்க ஒரு 15,000 கம்மி பண்ணி 65,000 லோனில் இருக்கீங்க.
லாஸ்ட் வந்தால் மட்டும்தான் டாஸ்க் வந்து.
ஆமாம், இப்போதைக்கு ப்ராஃபிட் வந்துச்சுன்னா நீங்கள் ப்ராஃபிட் எடுத்துக்கிறீங்க. பட் பார்ப்போம், ரொம்ப டீப் டவுனாக போச்சுன்னா ஐ கிவ் யூ சம் டாஸ்க் சான்சஸ் ஆஸ் வெல்.
ஓகே.
Sir, we are buying the block land, sir. So we are getting the loan of about 30,000.
Official announcement, Team Kalpita Street is going for the starter home that is worth 1,20,000, and they had cash in hand of 90,000, and the team has decided to go for 30,000 loan. Now, presentation credit, which means they are open for a task. Now Mohammed Anas's team can prepare a task and you can give them. And the task வேணுமா இல்ல 30,000 டாஸ்க் கேக்குறாங்க. அந்த 30,000 பாதி வரைக்கும் நீங்க 15,000 வரைக்கும் நீங்க இறக்கும். ஆனா 15,000 மஸ்ட் அவங்க லோன் வாங்கியா. எஸ்.
Now, any tasks now 15,000, sir. Only for 20,000 rupees, 5,000 interest. So 50,000.
You have the benefit of that cash in hand advantage. For 15,000
Okay, now.
loan. Okay, so Vedavarshan, Anas, Prisha, Mriduvashni, Balaji, everybody prepare a task and give it to them. நீ வேணா அந்த ட்ரீம் கார்டு வேணா அந்த பக்கத்துல போய் கூட நிறுத்துக்கோ. இந்த கேமரா பார்த்து நிறுத்துக்கோ. பேசு.
I will tell you. After telling you.
சரி, ஓகே. இதில் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண மாதிரி தெரியல, எல்லாம் அமைதியாக இருக்காங்க.
Sir, Keerthana is not in race.
Keerthana is in your team only, Varsha.
Okay.
அவன் எங்கே இந்த ஹாலில் ஒளிஞ்சிட்டு இருக்கா, எங்கே இருக்கான்னு எனக்கு தெரியும். இங்கே இருக்கியா?
Okay.
Give any tasks now.
எல்லாத்தையும் போய் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணி யோசி.
நீ இனிஷியேட் பண்ணினா உனக்கு
ஏண்டா அவனுக்கு அடாது விளக்கா அப்படி பூத மாதிரி கிளம்புது. நீ தான் அங்கே இருக்கிற கேமரா. கேமரா அங்கே
Not give any task now. Like yesterday they gave global warming or some questions now.
What type of task? The physical task or?
No, Varshan, very simple task like giving a topic or conducting a debate are asking a question and answering the question within 2 or 3, அது மேலே உடனே கேமரா விழுந்துடும் அந்த சேர் பக்கத்தில் போகாது.
Okay.
No business.
Keerthanaka,
Physical task ஏன் வைக்க முடியாதுன்னா இது எல்லாம் business.
your idea?
ஒன்று தான் கேட்குறேன் வருஷம் ஏதாவது ஐடியா இருக்கா?
Varshan, I have an idea, Varshan. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So each one should say a 10 thing after Corona. So what are they can change? What are the things they see changes in their life? So they should not repeat the things.
Okay, the changes that they see after pandemic and the things that they say should not be repeated. Nice, okay.
Sir, may I ask?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Trisha, Balaji, now.
Sir, 3 of them.
Kela.
Now, others are having any topic or questions? Ma'am?
Yeah.
1 minute, Ramani Masmika, Balaji, and Trisha.
I'm okay with Keerthanaka said it.
Okay, fine.
Balaji, now Trisha. Do you have any idea?
Any topics or any questions?
அவர்கிட்ட வேற வந்து அப்படித்தான் அப்படின்னு கேட்கறாங்க.
Balaji, now.
ஆமா ஆமா அப்படி சொன்னாங்க. நான் பாருங்க.
Yes, sir.
He says the idea of
Okay, Kirtana. They have only 8 members in the team. So 80 things அப்படிங்கிறது வந்துட்டு 7 members. So ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கு 10 அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு 70 things அப்படிங்கிறது ரொம்ப practically impossible. பட் ஒரு டீமா ஒரு 10 அல்லது 12 அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறேன். கரெக்டா?
So each can say 5.
இல்ல 7 பேர் இருக்கும்போது 35 வருஷம்.
In team they can say
You can
5
point
things.
out persons also like last 10 weeks.
So
இவங்க என்ன
collectively.
தெரியுமா பண்ணானுங்க?
So, otherwise, they can talk for 3 minutes. Sir.
Yeah,
இவங்க என்ன பண்ணானுங்க தெரியுமா? நேற்று ஒரு டாஸ்க் இவங்க 4 பேருக்கு மட்டும் கொடுத்தாங்க இவங்க டீம். ஆனால் இவங்க என்ன பண்ணானுங்க ஏதோ அவங்க பண்ணி ஒரு 5,000 லோன் எடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ நீங்கள் அந்த மாதிரி ஆளை சூஸ் பண்ணி பிருந்தா இருக்கா நல்லா பேசுவா பிருந்தா சூஸ் பண்ணு.
No, we can.
கவின்ராஜ் இருக்கா?
So, we can choose as 3 minutes later.
ரிதன் கிஷ் இருக்கா?
So I'll choose 3 members. Sir.
Sir, each 1 minute. Sir.
Joint president.
Brinda, sir.
Sir, Akka,
Yes, sir.
Keerthanaka.
Yes.
Akka, if that is not working, I have a new idea.
Yeah, tell me.
3 minutes, okay, sir.
சொல்றேன்
Hey, camera அங்க
Keerthanaka,
Yes.
அந்த டீம்லயே 2 டீமை பிரிங்க. டீம் பிரிச்சு விட்டுருவோம். Okay, 2 டீமா பிரிச்சு ஒரு டீம் வந்து பொலிட்டீஷியன்ஸ் மாதிரி ஆக்ட் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க. இன்னொரு டீம் வந்து பப்ளிக் மாதிரி ஆக்ட் பண்ணிட்டோம். பொலிட்டீஷியன்ஸ் என்ன ஐடியா சொன்னாலும் வந்து பப்ளிக் வந்து அதுக்கு ஆப்போசிட்டா ஒரு டிஸ்அட்வான்டேஜ் சொல்லுவாங்க. இப்போ பாலிட்டிஷியன்ஸ் வந்து ஒரு ஐடியா சொல்லி ஒரு அட்வான்டேஜ் எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணா பப்ளிக் வந்து அந்த ஐடியாவோட டிஸ்அட்வான்டேஜ் எடுத்து
Okay.
இது நடக்காது. இது மாதிரி ஒரு
5 minutes. ஆமாண்டா.
நான் explain தான் நான்.
அது அவங்களுக்கு
How is it there?
ஒரு நிமிஷம். அக்கா,
லோனை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கட்டி
இப்போ வந்து 2 டீமும் பிரிச்சு சொல்றீங்க. அது
2 team of cricket சொல்றேன்.
இப்போ அதுல நம்மளும்
yesterday only said what are you doing?
Yeah.
சரி போதுவாங்க டேய்.
So what Varshan said in the sense, sir, he said us to divide a team, sir. Each two, one will act as a politician, sir. Other will act as a common people, sir. Whatever the
So like public,
politician,
sir.
whatever the politician says, a public should
டேய்
act like they should not disagree with them, sir.
they were listening to what
Sorry,
was so
Yes, Varshan.
politicians explain the advantages of that particular act, sir. Public should just say the disadvantage and just be negative, sir. That's all. Politicians should be positive and public should be negative.
right, so how much is the time? 5 minutes ரொம்ப long. 3 minutes go.
Okay.
3 minutes.
Okay.
And are you deputing the public and politician your own selves or they can choose? Hey Nitin.
Sir, we will depute, sir.
Yeah, okay. Then depute. Hey Nitin, அங்க இருக்கு
Sir, Prabhu, Nitin, Nagaran, Kavin, Brinda, Mitra, Kalvitanam, sir.
Yes, now.
Yes. Prabhu, Ritan, Naglan, Kavinraj, Brinda, Kalpita, Mitra.
Okay, sir. Sir, Nagulan, Mitra, Kalpita will act as politicians, sir.
Okay.
Brinda, Kavin, Ritan and Prabhu will act as public safety.
Fine. Okay. So hope you have taken the idea that the opposite team has given. I cannot take any more time. Time starts now. 3, 2, 1, go. Abhi, secure questions.
Okay, sir. So, good evening, everyone. We have gathered here for one important thing we have decided. So, we have decided to start a new club for all the youngsters here. Do you have any disagreements with that?
Yes, ma'am. So, if you start club, say most of them are very busy with their works, so no one will come to that club for what you are wasting our land, and instead of that land, it's like a playground, so many of our village children will come and play. Why you have to make a club?
We are making it so professional and we are bringing a lot of trainers so that it will be useful for everyone here. What do you think, sir?
You are getting money, so some people are not coming. What will you do important?
Sir, it is not based on the money, sir. It's all about the enjoyment that they have there and the things that we provide there. So there will be a lot of advantages there, sir, which would be really helpful for all the youngsters, children, and people who are senior citizens. For everyone, it will be really helpful, sir. And also, it's not about money, sir. Anytime they can. So the clubhouse that we are going to build, sir, they can give whatever they could, sir. But money is must, sir. But the amount can be decided by themselves so that they can give to us, and they can definitely enjoy whatever they want. There will be a lot of portfolios where they could participate, sir.
So if there are a lot of members, no one can confirm that there is no COVID in that place. So no one can decide what is going to happen. So,
There is a very big scope of danger for the public.
Sir, we are just proposing the bill here, sir, for the general public to see the reaction, sir. And even if the bill is approved right now and the public agrees with it, sir, people like sir here agree with it, sir, it will take a lot of time for the thing to go through, sir. And now, every time you make a call to somebody, you must be hearing from someone that the vaccines that are manufactured in India will work on you. Please trust the Indian government, sir. So please trust the Indian government, sir. All will happen.
No, you cannot disrespect our NRI MNC worker here. He is working for.
No, sir.
He is working for Oxford, a very big tire company, and he is a rubber manufacturer. So he is also looking like made up of completely rubber. So basically, no, you just can't give it. As a politician, yes, we are underlying with the principles that you are going to give, but safety, yes.
Safety, sir.
Sir, you have something to say. So now, like, I hope you are starting this for a good reason, but what if it goes wrong? Like, someone fighting with the both of them and some clashes between them. So what will happen? Sir, we have seen a lot of youngsters fighting in the grounds, and that's why we have started a club, and we have a lot of in charge and trainers who will take charge and take care of them. So that is why the club is being started.
And also, sir, the officers whom we are going to recruit are always really good and kind, sir, so that they won't be rude to the customers, so that the customers don't feel weird and they start fighting, sir. So the people whom we are going to recruit are basically generous people and they
Time.
will be good, sir.
Thank you so much. Okay, well done, well done. Absolutely. So, yeah. So, online members and Mohammed Anas's team, as a leader, Mohammed Anas is taking the responsibility to discuss. Yes, Team Kalpita Shree is playing for the 30,000 stake of loan that they need to buy for buying the home. Now, please discuss and tell us how much you are reducing, or is really reducing or not.
So, Varshin, Trisha, Balajan, what's your idea?
Okay, I think we should reduce it.
No, we get 10,000. No, we can reduce it as 10,000.
Okay. Reducing 10,000 or reducing 10,000 from the amount, sir?
Ashan, their loan has to be, the loan is supposed to be a mandate of about 15,000. அதுக்கு மேல கம்மி பண்ண முடியாது. So இவன் என்ன சொல்றான்னா 30,000 இருந்து 10,000 இது பண்ணிட்டு 20,000 லோன் கொடுத்துடலாம். Is it okay for all?
Okay.
Okay.
20 okay.
Prisha Balaji, no?
So 10,000 million.
Yes, sir.
Balaji, no?
Yeah, you should tell.
I have a doubt now. You were saying that remuneration rate for reducing 10,000.
We will reduce 10,000 in your loan. We can tell. Otherwise, the presentation was nice and we can tell. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, whatever the decision you make, Prisha will be announcing.
Prisha?
Okay, sir. So,
Okay, sir.
from the total amount, we'll be reducing 10,000.
Right, so you have to explain why 10,000 and although you had the scope of reducing 15,000, why did you reduce 15,000? You have to give the reason, Prisha. Prisha, if you are talking, we are not listening to you, we are not hearing you.
Sir,
Tell us the
I don't
reason.
know the reason, sir. They didn't mention.
They don't even have to mention. I mean, as a person who has been an observer, you can say your own opinion. That's what I'm asking. What is your idea? அவங்க பண்றதுக்கு 10,000 அப்படின்னு ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணணும்னு நினைச்சியா இல்ல உன்னோட ஒபினியன் படி இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் அதிகம் ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணலாம்னு your mind think பண்ணுச்சு. I just want to know that.
Sir, according to me, 10,000 is a bit much. They did really well in the presentation, but according to majority, we went with 10,000.
So, out of the 30,000 loan, if you were given the stance, hypothetically speaking, if Anas was not the leader and if you were the leader, how much would you reduce?
Sir, about 5,000. So,
Okay, so the leader has to give the final quote. நீ சொல்றது correct. நீ சொல்றது தான் final. 5,000 or 10,000.
Second, sir. Sir, because they performed very nice, sir. They asked it all, sir. Not taking as an own decision, sir. They asked that it will be right for you.
இல்லை நித்தின் இல்லை தொண்ணூத்தி இல்லை யார் பேக் பேக் கீழே நீ இன்னமும் வந்து நோட்ஸ் இருக்கிற மாதிரி பேக் தூக்கிட்டு இருக்காரு கம்பெனி சொல்கிறேன்
Sir, they asked it to all of them, sir. And they were telling the problem, sir. For that also they told we will be given security and others, sir. That's all we are giving 10,000. Sir, we are reducing 10,000.
Okay, so basically speaking, the starter home 1 lakh of worth 1,20,000 is given to Team Kalpita Street. At the same time, they are on a loan of 20,000. So we have 5,000 interest. The team has reduced by 10,000, so 20,000 loan paper. One transaction complete. So both the teams are on loan right now. And Anas and other team members were generous enough to stick to 10,000. Although a team member by name Prisha was feeling that she was thinking of only giving 5,000, as she rightly mentioned herself, the majority thought that 10,000 can be reduced. So 10,000 is reduced and 20,000 loan. Team Anas can spin.
No.
Hey, 4, Avindraj.
நீ வந்து
என் கோமால இருந்தியா அதனால
no please.
லைஃப் எப்படி நடந்து தெரியாதா உனக்கு இடியே
Yes, see all this. You should explain nicely.
Yeah, yours is red color. 2 will give you a payday. You people are looking at cards. So 2 gives them a payday. So, what is your salary? Loan அடைச்சிட்டு பாருங்க.
Yes,
Loan.
sir.
So Vedavarshan, your team gets 80,000 and I got 65,000 loan and 80,000 with the interest. So, and the 80,000, கண்ணில் பார்த்துக்கோ.
So I will show to them.
ஆமா 80,000 நான் உங்ககிட்ட கொடுத்துட்டேன், திருப்பி வாங்கிட்டேன். அவ்வளவுதான், லோன் முடிஞ்சது. அது கை உங்ககிட்ட வராது.
So yes.
You understood, right?
Yes.
Okay. Sit down.
So I gave the interest and loan, sir. Sir, for me 8,000 want to come. I paid that loan.
Okay.
Sir, now we don't have any loan, right, sir?
You are scot free now. You don't have any loan, but Kalpita Shree's team has got 20,000 loan.
Okay, sir.
எப்போ கீர்த்தனாக்கு ராசில இருக்கு. ஆனா இன்னைக்கு எங்கேயோ போயிட்டு வந்திருக்காரு. கேரளால போய் மந்திரம் கத்து வந்திருக்காரு.
Sir, நான் இங்கிருந்து மந்திரம் போட்டங்காட்டி வந்துருக்கேன்.
ஆமா. கையை பிடிச்சு உட்கார்ந்து அதுக்கு முன்னாடி வந்து மந்திரம் பண்ண
Sir,
முடியும்.
what is it?
எங்க பக்கத்துல லீடர் உட்காந்துட்டாங்க. எனக்கு வராதனால ஃபோன் கீழே வந்துச்சு. ட்ரை பண்ண எழுந்துச்சு. அதே மாதிரி பக்கத்துல இருக்கனால கீர்த்தனா கிளாஸ் யாருதான் சார்?
அவ தூங்கி நைட்டு படிச்சுட்டு தூங்கிட்டு சூரியன் வந்தது கூட தெரியாம பேன் தூங்கி இருந்துச்சுனால ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் வரல. அவளுக்கு வந்து இவ்வளவு பெரிய கவுன்சிலர் பில்டப் கொடுக்குது.
Sir, we can start playing.
Sure.
Sir, we should not waste the time, sir.
So important is the time. Got it.
Right? It's a time.
Ashan. Ashan. Hey, Ashan.
Sir, sir.
கை டாக்டர் என்னடா சொன்னாங்க?
சார் கைக்கு டாக்டர் வந்து பாக்ஸிங் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டாரு சார், ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் ப்ரெஸ்லாம் பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டாரு சார். அதான் சார் வந்து டிவி சார்.